How to fix EC10500 error in EA app. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the EC10500 error that appears when you try to launch the EA app. So if your game won't open or the app keeps showing that error code, follow along step by step to get it working again. Alright, let's get started. First, when you see the EC10500 error, click on Exit App. Now go down to your system tray, that's the small area on the bottom right corner of your screen, and look for the EA logo. If you see it, right-click on it and select Exit App. If the EA logo isn't there, don't worry. Just double-click the EA app shortcut to open it again, wait for it to launch, then close it once more using the same steps. After that, go ahead and relaunch the EA app. And in most cases, the EC10500 error should be gone, and everything should work fine again. But if you're still seeing the same error, here's what you can try next. If you're connected to a VPN, make sure to disconnect it. EA's servers sometimes block VPN connections. Once you've disconnected, right-click the EA icon in your system tray again, choose Exit App and launch it one more time. Also, restart your computer. A simple restart can refresh background processes and fix any temporary glitches with the EA app. Once your PC is back on, open the EA app again, and that's it. Super easy fix for the EC10500 error on the EA app. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.